Good morning students, welcome to our geography class. You know our chapter name Sun the ultimate source. Here in our previous class we already learned Sun is the source of energy in the atmosphere and earth's surface. So today we are dealing with the topic water in the atmosphere. Here first topic is humidity. First we learned about what is humidity. Here what is humidity? The content of water present in the atmosphere, that is called humidity. What is humidity? Water content in the atmosphere is called humidity. All of you understood what is humidity? Yes, what is humidity? Water content in the atmosphere is called humidity. What are the factors influencing the moisture in the atmosphere? What are the factors influence the moisture in the atmosphere? First one is temperature. First influencing factor is temperature. Second one is availability of water. Here we explain what are the factors influencing the moisture in the atmosphere. How it influences the moisture in the atmosphere? You know, the temperature helps to evaporation. Through the evaporation process, water vapor reach the atmosphere. So, availability of water is very essential for water vapor. Discuss what is absolute humidity. What is absolute humidity? The actual amount of water present in the atmosphere. What is absolute humidity? The actual amount of water present in the atmosphere. That is called absolute humidity. What is absolute humidity? The actual amount of water present in the atmosphere, that is called absolute humidity. Absolute humidity. The total water amount present in the atmosphere is called absolute humidity. The actual amount of water present in the atmosphere is called absolute humidity. Absolute humidity is varies, that means different from place to place and also with time. Place to place means the water content present in the sea area and desert area is different. We know sea area have a high humidity, at the same time desert area experience less humidity. Time means the water content present in the atmosphere at summer season and rainy season is different. How it is measured? It is measured by the unit gram per meter cube. It is measured as the amount of water vapor present per cubic meter volume of air. Saturation level. There is a limit for the atmosphere to hold water vapor at a certain temperature. In all different temperature, the water content present in the atmosphere is also different. Always it is not same. That means there is a limit to the amount of water vapor the atmosphere can hold at a certain temperature. Here the main topic saturation level. What is saturation level? The stage at which the atmosphere is fully saturated with water is termed as saturation level. What is saturation level? The stage at which the atmosphere is fully saturated with water is called as saturation level. Our next topic, what is dew point? In previous class we already learned what is condensation. Here we can explain dew point. What is dew point? The critical temperature at which condensation begins is called dew point. Our next topic, what is relative humidity? The atmosphere has a capacity to hold water at a particular temperature, but the absolute humidity or the water content in the atmosphere at that temperature may be changed or same. So there is a ratio between these two. That is the ratio between the amount of water vapor present in the atmosphere and the total water holding capacity of the atmosphere at a given temperature is called relative humidity. The relative humidity that expressed as equation, look, relative humidity equal to absolute humidity divided by total water holding capacity of the atmosphere at that particular temperature into 100. For example, absolute humidity equal to half of the holding capacity. That means the holding capacity is 100. At that time absolute humidity is 50. So relative humidity will be 50 divided by 100 into 100. Then we can that equal to 15 percentage.